Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is a comparison and I'm going to be comparing two on Jackie's leave-in conditioners. Let's start off by saying one is Curly Girl approved and one isn't. You're going to see the application and hear my thoughts on these two leave-in conditioners from On Jackie's. But before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I'll start off by saying I've used both of these leave-in conditioners so many times and I really like both of them. So on this side of my hair, I went in with the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-in Conditioner. It's ultra hydrating, it has deep moisture therapy for parched tresses. It contains shea butter as well as olive oil. So this one has a very liquidy consistency, glides in the hair, aids with detangling. I really like this and it smells amazing as well. Also, I find that when I do use this leave-in conditioner, I don't use a lot, and it also gives a little bit of like a soapy type of texture as well. So this goes on nicely, absorbs into my hair. I have it underneath, plays well with lots of stylers. My hair is nice and moisturized. On the other side, I went in with the Aunt Jackie's Not Having It Leave-In Ultimate Detangling Conditioner, and this one is for kids. Many years ago, this was probably one of the first On Jackie's products that I ever used on my journey, and I fell in love with it, especially as a leave-in conditioner. And it was for kids, but I was like, no, I really like this. I haven't used it in a while, but on my journey, I've used this a lot in the past. And this promises, to help with detangling. You can use it daily. It's an instant detangler and moisture balancer for naturally curly, coily, and wavy hair. As I said, this isn't Curly Girl approved, and this is the new packaging, or not new, but it's been around for a few months now. But I found that I did use more of this leave-in than the Quench. This one didn't make my hair soapy, and this one smells like Play-Doh. It doesn't have the best of smells, but I did use more. It does give nice slip. Both of them give amazing slip, and that's what I really like. In terms of size, the Quench is 5 fluid ounces or 355 milliliters, and the Not Having It is exactly the same size, 12 fluid ounces or 355 milliliters. So you're getting exactly the same amount of product. I like both of them. As I said, this one is on this side of my hair, plays well with lots of products. I personally am happy and would buy either one of them, but if you are strictly following the Curly Girl method, then this one would be the one that you should pick up. If you're not, both of them are going to work absolutely fine. It's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed the comparison and my thoughts of two On Jackie's leave-in conditioners. If you've tried either one, drop it down below. Let me know your thoughts and your experiences as well. And as always, guys, you'll see me again in another video. Bye.